Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unfriend or block people on Heartopia just in case they're annoying or something. I have been unfriended or blocked somebody on this game so far, so that's good. But if you feel like somebody is annoying you and you just want to unfriend them, just go to just go to your watch and select friendship journal. Select the person that you want to block or unfriend. This is just somebody random here, so I'm just going to either press delete. Delete is to unfriend. Block is to just block them. So that is it. That's how you can unfriend and block people in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.